to give you the video description, but it's also going to give you the tags you need to put in your video so that it can make viral, and it's also going to give you the thumbnail, so you don't need to stress yourself. Hi guys, have you been struggling from getting the best YouTube title? I mean, title that grab everybody's attention, title that people want to watch, title that people really want to click. Look for no more, because this video I cover it all. I will show you how I generate my own personal title with a unique keyword. So let's go on. When it comes to YouTube title is really significant. It really matters whether your YouTube video is going to go viral or not, because it contains what we call key points or keyword. So if you want to know more about keywords, please make sure you like, subscribe to this video, and then use this video I'm going to drop here to know the best keyword to use on your channel, because this keyword we are talking about can kill your channel or can grow your channel. So if you want to learn how to use your keyword very well, click the video above to watch how to use keyword on your YouTube title and stuff like that. But if you don't want to, just continue, because this video here I'm going to show you how I generate my own personal title without the stress. And now you're on my screen, just head over to your Firefox, Mozilla, or your Google Chrome, or even Explorer, or even Edge, any one of your choice, and then search for vdq.com. So vdq.com is a platform for both beginner and professional YouTubers. It helps you to skyrocket your channel. They give you both keywords, both set, both description, and both video generation for you to go viral. So guess what? This vdq.com I'm about to show you guys is not in anywhere. I'm not in anywhere personally with them. They're not sponsoring this video. I'm not doing it like kind of sponsorship or stuff like that. I'm just doing it because I used them for just a month ago, and they helped my channel significantly. That's why I want to bring it to you all. Okay, so let's quickly go and let me show you how I make use of them. Just go to vdq.com and go ahead and sign up if you are not signed up. So what you need to do once you come here is just go and click this place, say generate. Alright, say generate, and then give it the name of your choice. Say, okay, the best player of the best player on the world. So, and then click enter. It's going to generate both the title. Perfect. So now it have generated the title of your video depending on the niche you are creating, depending on the video you are creating. Just give you something like this. So it said who is the best player in the world. So it's also going to give you the video description, but it's also going to give you the tags you need to put in your video so that it can make viral, and it's also going to give you the thumbnail, so you don't need to stress yourself, right? So this is what I've been doing, and it helped me a lot. That's why I'm sharing it for you. Please, if you learned something, please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, then comment below anything you want me to do next, any video you want me to do about next. Comment it in the comment box, okay? And please go ahead and use this platform, then come back and tell me what